What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here. So first I've actually recorded a pretty brand new video in a while, but today we have an epic unboxing, and yeah, and it's a first impressions video, so this is gonna be awesome. Let's get to it. And this is what we are unboxing today, my brand new camera, the Canon SX620 here. So this camera is supposed to be awesome. So finally have a brand new, really awesome camera. So this guy is actually supposed to be a lot better than my old Sony DSC-WX220, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But as you can see, reading off a few specs here, and make sure that's in focus. We have a 20.2 megapixel sensor, HS system, 25mm lens, and wide aperture lens. So that's good, and 25 times zoom. So this is supposed to be way better than my old camera. So let's go ahead and pop it open here. There are a few different colors. There's black, silver, and I think there's red, but I ended up getting the black here. Just because I thought the black looked the best out of all these suckers. So, why can't you focus? There we go. Alright, I might need to grab the scissors. There we go. So I actually just got home like 5 minutes ago and found this Amazon package sitting on the front porch. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and put it up here. Alright, time to boot it up. There we go. So let's go ahead and set up all this stuff. So okay, that's the date. So 5/11/2018. What time was it? 3/19. I think this is in 24-hour time, yeah. Right, so that's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, okay. 3 o'clock. I want to say 3:20. Yep. Okay, next. No, we're not in London, not in Cairo. New York. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the first test. So this is what the little first test of the Canon SX620 is. Obviously I'm not looking at the screen right now. This guy doesn't have a pop-up screen, which is one feature of the G7X that I do like, but you know, that's not much of a deal breaker for me, because obviously I can just go check it out on my Mac, and yeah. But honestly, I really like this camera so far. I like how easy it is to hold. It's definitely heftier than my old camera was, and but it feels definitely more pocketable than something like my 8 Plus, which is of course my main phone. But yeah, so now let's go ahead and do a test where I'm actually like looking at the display. Alright, and this is what it, so now I'm judging it by just looking at it like this. It doesn't look like the camera's a touchscreen. But I'm gonna kind of try and do this quick because it's beeping at me saying low battery. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and show you my old camera real quick that I was talking about. If you guys haven't seen it before, well, actually, I don't know if I've actually like shown it on like behind. Where did I put it? Oh, it's up here. So this is my old camera. It's the Sony DSC-WX220, and it was pretty similar to this, but definitely a little bit cheaper. That had 10 times optical zoom, but this guy has 25 times optical zoom. This thing I think had like this has an 18.2 megapixel lens. This guy has 20.2 megapixel lens, and definitely way better in terms of quality on this SX620 here. I do like Sony, but this thing, it's about to snap in half. It's really messed up. And then this was the camera that I first started the YouTube channel with. It's the Olympus FE5020. It still works perfectly. It's in pretty good shape, but it records absolutely garbage quality. And then this was actually my first point and shoot. This is the Canon SD1100 IS. So yeah, so that's what comparisons look like for SD1100 IS between SX620. So yeah, but overall, I just love this camera. It's so nice. Just look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this impressions test. I will be recording on this camera full time now. I flippin' love this thing. It's just awesome. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you think. What do you think of this camera? You could also vote in the top left, like quality-wise. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.